Okay, so in this video I'll just go over the UI a little bit and explain some things you might want to pay attention to. So down here I've added positions and working orders. It just shows you what position you're open. So I've got one position open which is currently losing $1. If you don't have that or you want to add it, it'll just be over here under positions, and then you can click add to workspace, make it as big or as small as you want, and put it anywhere. It's like Lego, just drag and drop it wherever you want. And working orders is just an order that I've got, so I'll delete that. We'll add a new working order in a sec, which is a different way you can buy. So up here we've got deal, which basically means whatever you type in. So one lot, buy, say I want to buy one lot of gold at whatever price it is the second I hit that button. Now that is pretty self-explanatory. We can buy one, we can buy five, we can buy however many lots you want to buy. That's the first box covered. The second one is the stop, which if we set it to 5, you'll see this bottom orange line appear, and that basically tells you if you're wrong you're going to lose $25. So it's basically the stop multiplied by how many you want to buy, and the opposite is true for this. So that's how much do you want to earn if you're right. So again, limit 10 multiplied by 5, you make $50. And then that's it. Hit place deal and away it goes. It's bought it. Now down here you can see size 6 because my initial one had 1, and now I've just added 5 to it. And you can see here the orange dotted lines indicate where your stop is going to be, and the white dotted lines where your profit is going to be if you're right. Alright, moving over to the orders tab. So order is still, you can buy or you can sell, but you don't want to do it right now. You want to do it when, say, the price gets down to this green line. So say we still want to buy 5, go to price level and move it to where you think a good place to buy is. So for example 1933, and you can do the same thing. You can move your stop loss to wherever you want it to be. You can move your limit order for taking profit to where you think a sensible place to take profit is, and it will show you on the right here how much you would lose and how much you would gain if you're right and wrong. And then hit place limit order. It'll appear here in your working orders, but it's going to do nothing until the price reaches that point, at which point it'll buy it. But if it never reaches that point, it'll never buy it. The last tab over here is for alerts, which is same as the limit. You can set some kind of percentage or price point, or an indicator, or you can say when it goes to $2,000 please send me a message, if you wanted to do that for whatever reason. And the last thing you should probably cover is this little number in the middle here, which is the spread. You'll notice it goes up and down, and you'll notice that the number for sell and the number for buy are slightly different. So if we go to something else, so Bitcoin for example, so it's more obvious, add that to the workspace. Alright, so here we've got Bitcoin at 11,359 sell and 11,395 for buy, with a $36 spread in the middle. So what that means is if you buy it, you're paying $36 more for it than if you were going to sell it straight away. This is basically how the platform makes its money, because it takes a little bit of a cut off everyone buying and selling, kind of like a casino would. So just something to keep in mind. If you buy something now and try and sell it straight away, you will lose a little bit of money. With some things like gold, there's a very small difference. Or forex, for example, if you look at the euro US dollar, it has quite a small difference, like half a cent, less than half a cent, half a pip. So it's $1.18, and then this is like fractions of a cent. So it's a very small difference, but you have to remember you're buying large amounts. So you're not just buying $1, you're buying one lot, which is hundreds or thousands of dollars, which is why the price moves so quickly. Hopefully that helps clear up a few questions. If not, let me know and I'll try and cover those.